Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to untag yourself on Instagram. So if you also want to untag yourself on Instagram, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an Instagram application. Now you can see over here, Instagram has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. If you want to untag yourself from someone's post on Instagram, it is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several icons. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to see your profile. All of your posts will be displayed over here. You'll also be able to see all of your reels. If someone has tagged you on their post, you'll be able to see that over here. All you have to do is tap on the tag icon that you can see right over here. Now all the posts that you've been tagged on will be shown over here. Tap on the post in which you want to untag yourself. Now you can see over here that post will be opened. Right above that post at the top right corner, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options at the bottom. You'll be able to find the option for save, QR code, tag options, about this account, reports. Simply tap on the option tag options. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for remove me from post, hide from my profile and learn more. Simply tap on the option remove me from post. Now the post has been removed from your profile. Now you just untagged yourself on this post. So that is how you untag yourself on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.